Today we are reviewing Google Pixel Buds Pro noise cancelling earbuds up to 31-hour battery life with charging case. Bluetooth headphones compatible with wireless charging in fog. You can enjoy your music in silence with Pixel Buds Pro with active noise cancellation and silent seal, which adapts to your ears and blocks out outside sounds, creating a quiet foundation where your music can shine. Please note that the size of the earbud tips should match the size of your ear canals, and if the headset is not correctly worn in your ears, you may not achieve the correct sound quality. Try to change the earbud tips to the ones that fit a little more snugly in your ear if possible. In addition to custom 11mm speakers, each earbud has a volume EQ setting so it can sound amazing no matter what volume you listen to. You can listen to the music for up to 11 hours without the charging case, or you can listen to the music for up to 31 hours with it. You can charge them wirelessly by using a Pixel stand or other key certified chargers. When you are using the transparency mode, you can hear outside sound in real time, so you can be aware of your surroundings at all times, such as when you are crossing the street. With the ease of switching between compatible devices, you can listen to music on your phone while taking a call on your laptop at the same time. With Pixel Bud Pro, you can wear your earphones while sweating during workouts and on rainy days without having to worry about damaging them. This was review for Google Pixel Buds Pro noise cancelling earbuds.